Welcome viewers and friends, here I am with a new video and the topic today, and today's topic is Ayurveda Teas and Elixirs, a journey to holistic wellness. We have been hearing a lot about different Ayurveda teas. In fact, a lot of people are so fascinated to buy different teas because that's a new trend. People like to be healthier because they understand that we are heading towards a times where nothing is pure, everything is getting adulterated, and there's a lot of toxicity going on, whether it is in our thoughts, mind, emotions, or eventually coming to in our body, because everything is connected. We are psychosomatic, so our health is basically an outcome of imbalances at different levels: emotional, mental, physical. And when things go wrong in a holistic way. When things become better in a holistic way. So health is a holistic concept. It cannot be viewed as an isolated way to achieve health. So stay tuned till the end, because if you leave in between, then you won't be able to understand this topic in totality. And I believe that knowledge should be complete. I'm not saying that you can understand Ayurveda completely or you can learn Ayurveda here, but at least you can get some vital tips, information, and knowledge so that you can get inspired to learn further. But the tradition of herbal teas and elixirs spans across cultures and centuries, offering not only delightful flavors but also a treasure trove of therapeutic benefits in Ayurveda. Well, the ancient system of Indian medicine recognizes the healing potential of herbs and spices, and Ayurvedic teas and different elixirs which are a vital part of holistic approach to well-being. In this informative video, we will explore basically the world of Ayurvedic teas and elixirs, discovering their diverse flavors, unique properties, and the wellness that they can bring to your life. However, I must say that I cannot cover everything about this topic because I don't want to make videos 1 or 2 hours long like seminars or webinars. People don't have attention span so long anymore. In the world of reels and the shorts, this would be actually marathon video, even if it is 10 to 15 minutes long. But hope the interested viewers who are genuinely interested to understand would stick to the end and they would be benefited. Well, understanding Ayurvedic teas and elixirs is quite important. Ayurveda tea and elixirs are beverages carefully crafted from a combination of herbs, spices, and other natural ingredients, each chosen for its specific qualities and effects on the body. These drinks are not only delicious but also tailored to balance the doshas, which are Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, and address various health concerns at the same time. Turmeric tea. Well, ingredients are turmeric, black pepper, ginger, and honey. Turmeric is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Black pepper enhances the absorption of turmeric and increases its bioavailability, and ginger soothes digestion. So this tea is ideal for reducing inflammation and promoting overall health. The next is Tulsi or holy basil elixir. Tulsi is a sacred herb in Ayurveda with adaptogenic qualities, making it a potent stress reliever and immune booster. It is also anti-cancer. The combination of tulsi, honey, and lemon creates a refreshing and soothing elixir. Cumin, coriander, fennel, or CCFT, which is quite renowned. Ingredients are cumin seeds, coriander seeds, and fennel seeds. Well, this simple and effective tea is an Ayurvedic classic, aiding digestion and detoxification. It's ideal for balancing all the 3 doshas and improve overall digestive health. It helps in relieving indigestion, irritable bowel syndrome, and other digestive issues like GERD or acidity. Ashwagandha Elixir. The ingredients are ashwagandha powder, almond milk, and dates. Ashwagandha is an excellent adaptogenic and stress relieving herb that can help manage stress and promote vitality. It gives you energy, it builds your muscles, it basically increases ojas and purifies dhatus. Blending it with almond milk and dates creates a nourishing, potent, and fortifying elixir. The cardamom and the rose tea. Ingredients are cardamom pods, dried rose petals, and honey. I'm not going to delve into the mode of preparation, but you can find it on other videos. To make any infusion, it is quite simple that you have to put the herbs all together and heat it on a uh, low to medium flame, and reduce the quantity of the water or the medium in which you are cooking herb almost to half, or at least reduce it at least by 35 to 40 pours, and then you get that tea, which is basically known as infusion. But you can always just heat it for 5 minutes and take it out if you don't want to make it too strong. But for therapeutic reasons, I would always advise people to follow the methods of herbal preparation, which I normally teach in my Ayurveda herbalism course. If you're interested to understand different herbs, methods of preparation, methods of extraction, and the therapeutic benefits, and when which herb should be used for which condition and patient, then you can definitely enroll for this course. That will really help you to get insights into Ayurvedic herbalism and the wonders of these herbs. Let me get back to the cardamom rose tea. I got diverted a bit here. So cardamom is known for its digestive benefits, while rose petals offer a sense of calm and tranquility. This aromatic tea combines these qualities for a soothing experience. So I would call cardamom rose tea as tea which would reduce your Pitta and balance your Kapha, but also reduce your Vata. So let me talk a bit about how to create Ayurvedic teas and elixirs. Because knowing tea is not enough, you should also know the procedure of preparation. So creating Ayurvedic teas and elixir is a straightforward process. Select quality ingredients is the first step. Choose fresh organic herbs, spices and components for the best results. Make sure that you choose the fresh herbs from the validated sources, because otherwise it's of no use. Boiling water, you need to put these herbs in the water, but before that you need to use a pure filtered water for brewing and bring it to the appropriate temperature based on the ingredients. Near boiling for ginger, but below boiling for delicate herbs like tulsi, because if you boil it too much, then probably you'll destroy the active compounds in the herbs. Steeping time is also very important. Allow the herbs and spices to steep for the recommended time to extract their medicinal properties. For elixirs, blend ingredients thoroughly. So you should know how to blend the ingredients, when to put what, but mostly you should be able to. This is quite a straightforward process. You need to put the herbs in the water and steep it for the time which is recommended for each and every herb. So preparing Ayurveda herbal teas and elixir is a process which you should understand and learn. Otherwise, you will not extract the total benefits out of it. Sweeteners. So if desired, use natural sweeteners like honey, jaggery or dates to enhance flavor, taste and sweetness. Avoid refined sugar. Certain herbs are a little bitter in taste, which might not be agreeable to palate of certain people. So obviously sweeteners can be included, but use honey, jaggery and dates, and don't use synthetic sugar. Serving, strain the tea or elixir and serve it warm. Do not put in the refrigerator for a day or two. A lot of people do it for the sake of convenience, but that is not recommended in Ayurveda. You should make fresh, you should eat fresh, right? And you also can feel the difference in the taste if you sip a tea which was kept in the fridge for almost a night, and next morning you're having it, and then if you make it fresh, then you feel that that experience is amazing. You feel that taste which is quite fresh. Well, Ayurvedic teas and elixirs help in balancing doshas. Each Ayurvedic tea and elixir can be tailored to balance specific dosha. For example, Vata teas may incorporate warm spices like ginger. Pitta teas may feature cooling herbs like mint, chamomile, and Kapha teas might include invigorating spices like cinnamon, black pepper. Benefits of Ayurvedic tea and elixirs are so many. I won't be able to discuss all of it, but I'm going to include the most important ones here. First of all, it helps in improving your digestion. It enhances and stimulates your digestion. Many Ayurvedic teas and elixirs are excellent for improving digestion and reducing bloating and aiding in nutrient absorption. Then it also helps in stress reduction. Adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha, shatavari can be used in beverages or the milk and which can help in managing stress and anxiety. Then detoxification is one more important aspect of Ayurvedic teas and elixirs. Some elixirs have detoxifying effects, supporting the body's natural cleansing properties. It also helps in improving the immunity. Many herbs and spices used in these teas and beverages have immune boosting properties. It helps in better sleep. Some Ayurvedic elixirs like chamomile, tulsi, valerian can promote restful sleep as well. So, conclusively, I can say that Ayurvedic teas and elixirs are more than just a beverage. They are pathways to holistic wellness. These diverse and flavorful beverages offer a delightful way to balance dosha, support digestion, manage stress, and enhance well being and immunity. By incorporating these Ayurvedic creations into your daily routine, you can embrace a holistic wellness approach to the health that combines ancient wisdom with modern well-being. So cheers to a cup of wellness in every sip. So that brings me to the end of this video. Let me remind you that we offer online Ayurveda courses as well, Ayurvedic nutrition, Ayurvedic herbalism, basic and advanced courses. So if you are interested or inspired to learn Ayurveda through my videos, then feel free to write or text us on our email, on WhatsApp. And also in the description, you can find the promo code within our promotional offers, which we float time to time. Right now it's going on, so you can get benefited. You can get additional 25% discount that we normally offer on our website. So right now we are offering 25% on our website if you join any course. If you join through this video using a promo code that you have to text us on our WhatsApp, which I'm going to give in the description below, then you can get almost 50% discount on any course you enroll now. This offer is time limited, so it's not going to stay forever. So don't miss the opportunity. Text us and join this course and start the amazing journey of holistic healing and wellness for yourself and for others. So thanks a lot, viewers and friends. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take a very good care of yourself. Informative videos on yoga and Ayurveda. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the notification bell. Thank you.